You guys, the Supra is officially back from Freed Engineering. It is officially a 5-speed. I am so freaking excited. It wasn't, I should have filmed when I went to go pick it up and driving it home, but I didn't. Honestly, I don't think I would have been able to anyways, because I was really focused on just driving stick shift on the right hand side of the car. But it honestly wasn't too bad. The clutch is light, a lot lighter than the STI, that's for sure. But it's very OEM feel. Nothing feels like aftermarket or heavy or stiff or anything like that. All feels very perfect. So big shout out to Freed Engineering. If you guys need any work done, they specialize in Supras. I'm gonna put their information in the description below, but yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. The car feels a lot faster now that it's stick shift as well. When it was automatic, it was a lot, I don't know, it just felt slow, but there it is. 5-speed. Let's hop in here really quick. Yeah, 5-speed, so it's everything is the same. It's all the same motions. It's literally just you're on the right side of the car, but still, first gear, second gear, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. That's it. And then, so everything down here is still the same. But yeah, it's really not that bad. It's not that bad at all. I was honestly expecting it to be a little bit worse, but yeah. The only thing is that I'm not really like as smooth with it as if I were to be shifting with my right hand. Just like the hand-eye coordination with putting the clutch in, and then with my left hand, it's just like I need to get the motions down better. But overall, I did just fine. So next thing I want to do is I just want to go ahead and grab the GoPro and let's go for a POV drive. First POV drive in the Supra. We've done a couple of those videos in the STI. I know you guys enjoy those. Now it's time to do it in the Supra with the manual gearbox. It's exciting stuff. Alright, you guys, we're behind the wheel of the Supra. Don't judge me too hard. I'm still, you know, getting used to driving a manual on the right hand side. And don't think that we're going to be going stupid fast either. The car is not turbo, so it's not that fast. But man, is it a joy to drive. It's definitely a lot faster than when it was auto. I've never actually driven this car hard. I'm like afraid to drive it super fast because it's like 30 years old. I'm afraid of like flooring it and breaking something. I feel like it's like a delicate little grandpa. But the car is solid. I've had no problems with it. This is my first time, I think, taking it on a back road drive. Rubbing over there. This car is very comfortable. I saw a video that dude in blue did on a stock Supra, and he was talking about how comfortable the car is, like driving, and he was very much not exaggerating. This car is super comfortable. It's like a cruiser. I'm lowered on Fortunato coilovers with 12K spring rates front and rear, and the car is still comfortable. Yeah, there you go. As far as like for you all thinking, oh, is it going to be hard driving manual on the right hand side? It's really not that bad. You know, you take a couple days to get used to it, and I mean, you're fine. It's really not that big a deal. The exhaust sounds pretty good too. Look at this huge house right here. Look at that. That's crazy. The exhaust sounds pretty good too. I like the tone, but it's for like highway driving, it's very drony. Like I get kind of annoyed with it. I get tired of hearing how loud it is. I'm just trying to cruise and chill on the highway. It gets kind of obnoxious after a bit. This is the hardest I've ever driven this car. You guys are experiencing it with me. See how it sounds with the... Yeah, so you can see there with the windows down, it's a lot louder. My biggest thing when I first started driving this was you tend to, oh, see, put it in for fourth instead of second there. Driving on the right hand side, you tend to think that you're really close to the right side of your lane, so you tend to stick to the left too much. So you kind of just you have to monitor that in your mirrors. Just make sure you're in your lane, and after a while you get used to it, and I mean, that's it. It's really not that big a deal. It kind of sounds like a 350Z, doesn't it? This thing, it's so fun. Even though it's not fast and it's not turboed or anything, it's like, I don't know, it's so fun. Gosh, I can't imagine if this car was turboed and you'd be hearing all those good Supra noises. Little doo 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 doo. Gosh. Just give me a year or two and I'll do it. Let's pull in here. Alright, you guys, well, what do you guys think? Was I pretty good at driving manual on the right side? I didn't think I did too bad. I did put it in fourth instead of second gear a couple of times when I was downshifting, but yeah, that's it. I'm super excited to have this car manual now. It's super fun. It feels a lot faster, that's for sure. It felt so much slower when it was automatic. Honestly, when it was an automatic, it really wasn't that bad. It was really nice to just like get in the car and cruise. On the drive home, I was kind of stressing, learning how to drive stick shift on the right hand side, and I was like, oh my gosh, do I regret this? Should I have just left it automatic? It was a lot more relaxed and chill before, and now I'm stressing trying to shift gears and stuff like that. But no, I really like it a lot. It's very fun. Gosh, I love this car, you guys. This car is coming along very nicely with just the little couple of mods that I've made, the headlights, the turn signals, the tails, lowering it a bit and putting some nice wheels on it. And now it's a manual. I mean, this is literally a dream come true. You guys remember to like and subscribe the video. Make sure to support my small little channel. The goal is to hit 8,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So if you guys want to go ahead and help me out, I would really appreciate it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.